Hey there, fishing enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of ultralight fishing reels, exploring the top 5 options that promise to deliver incredible performance without weighing you down. Whether you're targeting big catches in the ocean or casting in a serene lake, these reels offer lightweight solutions for comfort and efficiency. Let's jump into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Mifine Carbon Ultralight fishing reels. The Mifine Carbon Ultralight fishing reel promises to deliver exceptional performance for anglers seeking a high-quality, lightweight reel for various fishing environments. Built with advanced materials and incorporating several thoughtful features, this reel is designed to enhance the fishing experience, whether you're on the ocean, lake, stream, or river. However, like all products, it has its pros and cons. In this video, we'll explore the key features of the Mifine Carbon Ultralight fishing reel and weigh its strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right reel for you. Pros: incredibly lightweight. One of the most significant advantages of the Mifine Carbon Ultralight fishing reel is its lightweight carbon fiber frame. Weighing only 201 g, the reel is ideal for long fishing trips where reducing fatigue is crucial. The lightweight construction makes it especially appealing for anglers who prefer a more portable and easy-to-handle reel without sacrificing strength. Smooth operation. Thanks to the 7-1 shielded stainless steel ball bearings, the reel operates with incredible smoothness. This ensures a seamless fishing experience, making it easy to reel in catches without the typical friction or lag that can sometimes occur with lower-quality reels. Comfortable and ergonomic. The sink-machined aluminum handle and high-density EVA handle knobs ensure a comfortable grip even in wet conditions, which is often a challenge for anglers. The ergonomic design allows for better control and reduces discomfort during long fishing sessions, providing both comfort and performance. Durable and versatile. Despite its lightweight construction, the carbon fiber frame is durable and capable of handling a variety of fishing conditions. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, the reel is versatile enough for use in oceans, lakes, streams, reservoirs, and rivers. It offers reliable performance in various environments. Cons: handle durability concerns. While the aluminum handle and EVA knobs are generally durable, some users might find that prolonged exposure to saltwater or rough handling could affect the handle's longevity. Although designed for comfort, the materials may require extra care in harsh environments to maintain their condition. The Mifine Carbon Ultralight fishing reel offers a lightweight, smooth, and comfortable solution for anglers looking to enhance their fishing experience. Its carbon fiber frame, machined aluminum handle, and 7-1 shielded ball bearings ensure reliable performance across different fishing environments, whether you're in the ocean or on a quiet lake. Coming in at number 4, we have the Piscifun Viper X Ultralight fishing reels. The Piscifun Viper X Ultralight fishing reel is designed for anglers who demand both performance and durability in their fishing gear. This lightweight bait casting reel combines advanced technology, ergonomic design, and high-quality construction. We'll dive into the pros and cons of this reel to help you decide if it's the right choice for your next fishing adventure. Pros: smooth, durable bearings. The Piscifun Viper X comes equipped with 10-1 shielded stainless steel bearings, ensuring ultra-smooth operation. This high number of bearings helps reduce friction and provides a seamless, consistent retrieve. Whether you're fishing for hours or targeting trophy fish, the smoothness of the reel makes it easy to handle even the most demanding catches. Lightweight yet strong construction. Crafted from high-strength graphite, the Viper X reel is both lightweight and durable. The combination of these materials ensures that the reel is easy to handle during long fishing sessions while still providing the strength needed to reel in big catches. This makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned anglers who want a balance between weight and durability. Advanced waterproofing technology. Piscifun has incorporated advanced waterproofing technology into the Viper X, which helps keep the reel unaffected by water, dirt, or debris. This feature ensures that your reel will continue to perform optimally, even in wet or muddy conditions. The waterproofing enhances the longevity of the reel, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Ergonomic lightweight design. The Viper X features an ergonomic design that includes an EVA knob and a sink machined spool. providing a comfortable grip and reducing hand fatigue during long fishing sessions. The lightweight nature of the reel means you won't feel weighed down, and you can focus on your fishing techniques for extended periods without discomfort. Versatile gear ratios. This reel offers 2 gear ratios, a 6.2:1 gear ratio for quick retrieves and a 5.2:1 gear ratio for finesse techniques. This versatility makes it suitable for a variety of fishing scenarios, from fast-paced action to more controlled, finesse presentations. Whether you're targeting fast-moving fish or using slow techniques for delicate baiting, the Viper X adapts to your fishing needs. Cons. Limited gear ratio options. While the Viper X does offer 2 gear ratios, some anglers prefer reels with more options. A wider range of gear ratios allows for more flexibility in various fishing conditions. The Viper X's lack of additional options might be limiting for those who need more customization for different fishing techniques. The Piscifun Viper X Ultralight fishing reel stands out as an excellent choice for anglers looking for a lightweight, durable, and smooth bait casting reel. Its graphite construction, waterproofing, and ergonomic design make it a great option for casual and moderate anglers. With versatile gear ratios and a comfortable handle, it performs well in various fishing scenarios. At number 3, the Zukibo Sembo 117 Air Ultralight Fishing Reels. The Zukibo Sembo 117 Air Ultralight fishing reel is a compact, high-performance reel designed to offer excellent fishing experiences, especially for those who prefer lightweight equipment without sacrificing power and durability. Featuring carbon fiber components and a variety of advanced design features, the Sembo 117 Air promises smooth operation and long-range performance. But like any product, it comes with its advantages and drawbacks. Here's a closer look at its pros and cons and help you decide if it's the right choice for your fishing needs. Pros. Incredibly lightweight. The Zukibo Sembo 117 Air reel is one of the lightest reels in its category at just 117 grams, making it perfect for anglers looking for a minimalist ultralight reel. This ultra-lightweight design minimizes fatigue during long fishing sessions and is especially advantageous when precision and ease of handling are required. Durable and strong. Thanks to its carbon fiber construction and aluminum components, the reel offers an exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. The carbon fiber brake pads and brass gears contribute to a highly durable and reliable performance, whether in saltwater or freshwater environments. Smooth operation. With 11-1 stainless steel bearings, the reel delivers exceptionally smooth casting and retrieval, reducing friction and noise. The Japan NEM seawater-proof bearings offer enhanced precision, making the reel highly effective in both high-speed situations and long-distance casting. Strong and effective drag system. The 4 kg drag system is powerful enough to handle larger fish while ensuring smooth resistance adjustment. The drag alert system allows anglers to stay informed about drag resistance changes in real time, providing better control when reeling in fish. Long-range performance. The tapered ceramic guide ring reduces friction and dissipates heat quickly, ensuring that the line remains in top condition and preventing unnecessary damage. This feature contributes to the reel's long-range performance, allowing anglers to cast farther with ease and efficiency. Cons. Small spool for heavier lines. The lightweight spool is excellent for reducing weight and improving speed, but it might not be ideal for heavier fishing lines or longer, deeper casts that require larger spools. This could limit the reel's versatility when dealing with various types of fishing conditions. The Zukibo Sembo 117 Air Ultralight fishing reel is an excellent choice for anglers who prioritize lightweight design without compromising on strength and smooth performance. The carbon fiber components and advanced drag system ensure that the reel can handle medium catches and offer long-range casting capabilities. Its high-quality bearings and ceramic guide ring further contribute to its superior performance. In the second spot, we have the Seasir Commando Ultralight fishing reels. The Seasir Commando Ultralight fishing reel is designed for anglers seeking a high-performance, lightweight reel without sacrificing strength and durability. With its carbon ultralight frame, high gear ratio, and advanced features like NEM-bearing drag, it promises a premium fishing experience. But like any fishing gear, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Here's a closer look at the pros and cons of this reel. Pros: lightweight and easy to handle. The carbon ultralight frame makes the Seasir Commando reel a great choice for anglers who prioritize ease of handling and reduced fatigue. Weighing just 168 g, it's perfect for long fishing sessions where comfort is key. Dual spool system for efficiency. The two spools increase line capacity and reduce the need for frequent spool changes, enhancing the reel's efficiency. This is a great feature for those who fish in areas where long casting and quick retrieval are crucial. High gear ratio for quick retrieval. The 7:1:1 gear ratio ensures that the reel's retrieval speed is fast and efficient, which is ideal for catching fast-moving fish. Whether you're targeting trout, bass, or walleye, the gear ratio enables quick action so you don't miss your target. Smooth and reliable drag system. The NEM-bearing drag system ensures smooth drag operation that helps maintain a strong hold on your catch. It gives you reliable resistance, reducing the likelihood of line breakage when reeling in larger or stronger fish. Corrosion-resistant and durable. The reel is built with a corrosion-resistant carbon frame and Germany-imported aluminum gears, ensuring long-lasting durability even in saltwater environments. This makes the Seasir Commando reel an excellent choice for anglers who frequently fish in marine conditions. Comfortable casting experience. With its lightweight construction and ergonomic design, the Seasir Commando reel provides an extremely comfortable casting experience, perfect for those long days on the water. The reduced weight minimizes the strain on your hands and arms, ensuring a more enjoyable fishing experience. Cons. Limited drag capacity. While the NEM-bearing drag system is smooth, the drag capacity may not be sufficient for extremely large or powerful fish. Anglers targeting heavy, powerful fish might find the drag system lacking in comparison to heavier-duty reels that offer higher drag capacities. The Seasir Commando Ultralight fishing reel is an excellent option for anglers seeking a lightweight, durable, and high-performance reel. With its carbon frame, dual spool system, and 7:1:1 gear ratio, it offers efficient performance and quick retrieval for targeting fast-moving fish. The NEM-bearing drag system ensures smooth operation, while its corrosion-resistant materials make it ideal for saltwater fishing. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tsurinoya Lanius Ultralight fishing reels. The Tsurinoya Lanius Ultralight fishing reel is designed for anglers seeking a high-performance, lightweight reel that offers durability, efficiency, and smooth operation. This reel is perfect for those who want to reduce fatigue during extended fishing sessions while enjoying a top-notch fishing experience. We break down the pros and cons of the Tsurinoya Lanius Ultralight fishing reel to help you determine if it's the right choice for your next fishing adventure. Pros. Light and durable construction. One of the most significant advantages of the Tsurinoya Lanius Ultralight fishing reel is its lightweight design. The carbon fiber frame and rotor provide excellent rigidity and durability while keeping the overall weight incredibly low. With models like the 800 and 100 weighing just 150 g, the reel offers reduced fatigue during long fishing sessions, allowing anglers to fish for hours without discomfort. One-piece bail for better line management. The one-piece bail design is a thoughtful feature that enhances line management. It helps to prevent line from wrapping around the spool in an uneven manner, which can result in tangles or inefficient casting. This simple yet effective design feature ensures that you experience smooth and hassle-free casting every time you use the reel. Bevel spool for longer casts. The bevel spool design contributes to smoother casting and allows for longer casting distances. By adjusting the shape and angle of the spool ring and drag knob side, this feature minimizes friction during casting, improving both the accuracy and distance of your cast. This makes the reel ideal for anglers looking to cover larger areas when fishing. Improved gear durability. The Tsurinoya Lanius reel is engineered with improved gear durability, which increases the contact area between the main gear and pinion gear. This results in a more reliable, smoother performance over time, as well as a longer-lasting reel. The enhanced durability makes it a great choice for both casual anglers and those who fish regularly, providing smoothness and comfort even under heavy use. Cons. Limited line capacity. Due to its ultralight construction, the Tsurinoya Lanius reel has a relatively limited line capacity compared to heavier-duty reels. While this is not an issue for anglers fishing smaller or moderate-sized species, those targeting larger fish or needing more line might find the capacity insufficient. Anglers who frequently fish for big game species may need to consider reels with larger spools for increased line capacity. The Tsurinoya Lanius Ultralight fishing reel is a standout choice for anglers who prioritize a lightweight, durable, and efficient reel. Its carbon fiber construction, bevel spool, and one-piece bail make it an excellent tool for finesse fishing, offering smooth casting and long-distance performance. The reel's stand and improved gear durability enhance the reel's overall value, making it a reliable option for regular use.